Hello, and welcome. Today, I want to share with you something profound yet simple, something that can truly transform your life: the power of feeling. This is often overlooked in our fast-paced world, where many focus on actions, on strategies, or on logic. But there's a subtle art to life, a deeper mechanism we sometimes fail to notice: the power of feeling. And if you grasp this concept, you'll unlock an energy within yourself capable of manifesting your desires, shaping your life, and moving mountains in ways you might never have imagined. The idea is straightforward: what you feel deeply, consistently, and convincingly, becomes your reality. It's not just about fleeting emotions but rather the deep, persistent sense of inner conviction, that unwavering feeling that your desire is real, here and now. This isn't about daydreaming, it's a purposeful, committed feeling that aligns with your deepest desires. When you can immerse yourself in this feeling, you're essentially laying the groundwork for your life's unfolding. Now, let's start from the beginning. Think of your mind as a fertile garden. In this garden, you can plant whatever seeds you like, and those seeds will grow into your experiences. However, there's one essential key: every seed needs the right emotional environment to grow. That environment is the feeling state you cultivate in your mind. When you feel as if your dream is already a reality, you are providing the fertile ground in which it can bloom. Feelings are far more than passive responses to the world, they are the very fabric of our creation. They shape the way we perceive and respond to life, and they directly impact what we bring into our experience. It may seem almost too simple to believe, but this simplicity is precisely where the power lies. The mind, directed by feeling, becomes the powerful architect of our reality. If you learn to direct your feelings, you can reshape your life in profound ways. To begin, let's talk about why feeling is so powerful. Feelings reach the subconscious mind in a way that words and thoughts alone cannot. You might affirm something over and over, but if it doesn't reach your subconscious mind, it won't take root. The subconscious doesn't interpret or analyze, it simply accepts whatever is impressed upon it. And the most direct way to make that impression is through feeling. When you feel something strongly, it bypasses the conscious filters, going straight to the core of your being where it can influence every aspect of your life. You may wonder, how do you evoke the feeling of something that hasn't happened yet? Think about a moment when you were truly happy, a time when you felt secure, loved, or successful. Relive that moment in your mind. Feel it as if you're back there, and hold on to that feeling. This ability to immerse yourself in a state as if it were real is key. When you're able to fully embody that feeling, you create an impression on the subconscious, setting things into motion. Now, it's essential to understand that this isn't about ignoring reality or pretending things are different from how they are. It's about recognizing the creative power of feeling and choosing to focus on the desired outcome rather than the present circumstances. For instance, if you're seeking more financial abundance, immerse yourself in the feeling of already having it. Feel the relief, the freedom, the gratitude as though your wish has already been fulfilled. When you make a practice of this, you're not fighting against what is, rather, you're simply aligning with the feeling of what you desire. This feeling will guide your actions, shape your outlook, and eventually transform your world. Every moment you spend in that state of feeling is like planting seeds in the subconscious mind, which will grow and manifest in ways beyond what you can consciously imagine. Let's take it a step further. Consistency is key. You can't simply feel it once and expect immediate results. Think of this as a habit of feeling. Just as you might practice any skill until it becomes second nature, you must practice feeling the state of your wish fulfilled until it becomes part of who you are. This isn't about forcing anything, it's about gently guiding your inner state, day by day, moment by moment. At first, it may feel strange or even challenging to hold this feeling, especially if your current reality is very different from what you desire. But remember, this isn't about what's happening outside of you. It's about what's happening within. When you persist, you'll notice shifts, small at first, but eventually profound. Think of it like this: life will mirror back to you what you feel deeply within. When you embody the feeling of what you desire, the outer world has no choice but to respond. It's a simple, natural law. You are, in essence, tuning your inner state to a particular frequency, and the outer world will inevitably align with that frequency. This isn't a belief, it's an experience, and it's available to anyone willing to give it a try. This brings us to an important practice: living from the end. By this, I mean behaving, thinking, and feeling as if your desire is already fulfilled. How would you feel if you already had the job, the relationship, the health, or the peace you desire? Begin embodying those feelings now, not as a mere wish, but as a present reality. Let that feeling be your dominant state, the one you return to whenever doubts arise. Your subconscious mind is impressionable, like clay in the hands of a sculptor. And you, with your feelings, are the sculptor. Each day, each moment, you are shaping your future with the impressions you make on the subconscious. Therefore, guard your feelings carefully, and choose them consciously. Do not let circumstances dictate your feelings, let your feelings dictate your circumstances. This approach may challenge you, especially if you're accustomed to reacting to the world around you. But consider this: the outer world is simply a reflection of your inner world. When you shift your inner world, your feelings, your beliefs, your state of mind, the outer world has no choice but to change. This is the secret to unlocking the life you desire. Instead of waiting for circumstances to change your feelings first, and the circumstances will follow. At the heart of this is faith, a quiet, unwavering trust in the unseen reality of your desire. True faith is not hoping that something might happen, it's knowing that it already has, even if the physical world has yet to catch up. This kind of faith isn't about blind belief but about an inner conviction, a feeling so deeply held that it becomes your reality before any evidence appears. Faith, in this sense, is feeling. One way to maintain this feeling is through visualization. Picture yourself in the scene of your fulfilled desire. See it, hear it, but most importantly, feel it. Imagine the joy, the relief, the gratitude. Don't just see the scene, immerse yourself in it. Feel it in your bones, as if you are living it now. Let this feeling be your dominant vibration, the one that guides you throughout your day. Remember, this isn't about avoiding the present, it's about transforming it from within. By consistently holding the feeling of your desire fulfilled, you are actively creating a new reality. You're rewriting the story of your life, one feeling at a time. So, guard your feelings. Let them be like precious treasures, aligning only with what you truly wish to experience. Feelings, once understood and practiced with intention, become the bridge between where you are and where you wish to be. They are the silent forces, moving you toward your desires even when it seems like nothing is happening. Trust in this process. Trust that as you align your feelings with your desires, your life will unfold in ways that reflect them. As we reach the end of our discussion, I encourage you to reflect on these ideas, even if they seem unusual at first. Realize that this method is accessible to anyone, no matter where they are in life. By shifting your inner world, you can transform your experience in ways that may surprise you. Imagine the freedom in knowing you can start creating what you desire right now, not with a grand gesture, but with the quiet power of feeling. If you found this message meaningful and it resonates with where you are, consider supporting this journey by hitting the like button below. Your likes help bring this information to others who may also benefit from it. If you'd like to hear more on topics like these, subscribing to this channel is a simple way to stay connected and explore more. You're also welcome to share this video with someone who you feel could gain from these ideas. Sometimes a small nudge can make a world of difference. If you're inspired and wish to get deeper into the power of feeling, subscribing is a wonderful way to stay informed on new content. And, if this message has given you a new perspective or sparked a curiosity within, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Note that this power is always available to you. You don't need anything outside of yourself to begin, everything you need is within. The secret to changing your world lies not in external actions, but in the internal art of feeling. So, Start today. Choose your feelings with purpose, and let them be the foundation upon which your dreams are built. You have the power to create the life you desire, one feeling, one moment, one choice at a time.